To add information under the overview, click the Add a Welcome Message Overview or Description button. This drops down the standard Brightspace text editor. Make sure you get used to this because you're going to be seeing this a lot throughout the design process. In order to start typing, start typing. Now if I want to make this a header, all I have to do is highlight this, go to my drop-down, and choose some of the pre-formatted text options. If I choose heading 1, you'll notice this makes this look a lot more visually appealing, punchier, and actually it's easier for screen readers to read as well. If I want to switch back to paragraph, all I have to do is hit enter and switches me back to the content style. Now if I want to add a little bit of color to this, I still can do that. Highlight the text, click the dot 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 in the top right hand corner, and you'll see some additional formatting options. Among those are colors. You'll see here I have black selected. If I click on the arrow, it'll give me multiple options. Now if I choose something like yellow and click save, you'll see my text turns yellow. It's a little bit difficult to read yellow on white. That's because the contrast ratio is not adequate. In order to check this, if you ever have questions, you have an accessibility checker in the bottom right hand corner. When you click on this, it'll let you know if there's any accessibility issues. Now I know I have to fix this. All I have to do is highlight this, go back to my color, and choose something a bit darker, like our Springfield College maroon. Click save, and now if I go back to that accessibility checker, you'll see I have no issues. You also have the ability to do things like bold, underline, and italicize. Highlight the text, go up to the top here, and you can choose bold, italics, underline, or even things like subscript, superscript, or strike through. Now some of the standard text features you're used to having, like indentation, bullet points, those are still there as well. If I click here, this will allow me to indent over and outdent. You have your bullet points, and if you click the arrow next to this, you can also change the justification. So there's center, right, and also full. Now I can also do advanced features like inserting graphs. So if I click here, I can choose to do a table like a 3x5, or I can even do mathematical formulas. You still have some of the standard features too, like being able to choose your font and choose your size.